What you're about to watch took me 30 seconds. Not edited down, not sped up in post-production, just 30 real seconds from start to finish. I'm gonna go from zero, no idea, no niche, nothing, to a fully validated live Etsy listing. So if you've ever felt like Etsy research and listing eats up your entire day, this is gonna change how you work. Quick context though before we get started. In case you're new here, my name is Harry and I run the Print Shop Pro. Everything on this channel is data backed, no hype, just trust me, because as you will see, I show the real numbers every time. This isn't just a trick, this is an actual real workflow that I use every day. And hopefully by the end of this video, you will be able to copy this workflow exactly step by step. So if this sounds like this is your kind of channel, please hit the subscribe button below and follow along. Before I show you the 30-second version of this, let's talk about why this used to take hours. The old workflow looked like this. Brainstorm niche ideas with no data behind them. Manually search Etsy and scroll through hundreds of listings trying to eyeball what's selling, guess at keywords, writing a title and hope it ranks, list it, wait, and hope. That process could easily 2 to 3 hours every day. And a lot of times that was just uncertainty. You're not researching, you're just guessing with extra steps. The bottleneck was never the idea. It was just the validation. Sellers were spending all of their time just trying to confirm a guess instead of starting from a number that was actually true. That's the entire problem that this workflow solves. Okay, to get started, let's first go to ProfitTree. This is the tool that I use to run my Etsy shop. I would strongly suggest you check them out if you haven't already. The link is below in the description. They're an affiliate of our channel, and it certainly helps support the channel. There's a number of reasons I like this tool over others, which I'll get into later in the video, but for now, again, I strongly suggest clicking the link to follow along. With that said, once we're within ProfitTree, I would go to Product Finder. I would type in broad term, so funny coffee mug, right? Hit enter. That'll give us our niche score. The higher the score, the better. This is out of 100, so you'll see this is green. This is a great niche to compete in. This shows you our monthly revenue. What I always first do is I filter high to low for total revenue to find out the best winners. And I'm going to use that as inspiration. From here, I go left to right. So one thing I love about the ProfitTree tool that others don't offer are these demand badges. So if you click over and hover over, it'll show you how many people have viewed in the last 24 hours. It'll show you how many have purchased in the last 24 hours. So again, this is great data to know. If I were to type teacher mug, I'm probably not selling too many because it's summertime here in Philadelphia. But if I type funny coffee mug and I go down the niche to summer themes or stuff like that, you'll see more of a demand. So here we go. Dad personalized mugs. There's one in a cart. 70 people have looked at it in the last day. Personalized mug. So again, this is a nice feature that other tools don't offer that ProfitTree does, and I use it daily. Anyway, so let's keep going to the right. We got views, we got tags. So if we wanted to say mimic one of these popular ones, like this dad personalized one, if I hit the tags, it'll show me exactly what tags they've used. I could copy them. I would not suggest copying like for like, but I would certainly use that as inspiration to model your listings after. Anyway, so let's keep going left to right. We can see listing age, conversion rate, visibility score, average price, and so on. So these are all tools at my disposal that I use to help guide in trying to find my next listing. But since we talked a lot about this dad one, let's use this, right? So the dad would be our sub niche. We could hit here, we could see how much revenue it's done, we could see how many sales per month, again, all the tags they use, all the shipping. So this here is really everything we need to know when trying to find our listing within 30-second time frame. So from here, what I would do personally, I would hit view on Etsy. Here's the listing with all of the images. I would then in a separate window open up your favorite AI agent, whether it be ChatGPT or Claude or any number of them. I would copy this URL, paste it into here and say, please help me create a similar listing to this Etsy product. I want a dad-inspired coffee mug, and then I would just paste the link. Please provide the title, description, and tags similar to this listing. Hit enter. And then within seconds, ChatGPT is going to give you an SEO optimized title, description, similar but not identical, and tags. From here, you could just copy and paste these right into your listing in Printify. If you don't already have a design, you could tell the agent, please create a design to use on the mug. You hit enter, and then within seconds, you'll have a design up as well. Now, as ChatGPT is thinking, one thing I would note is this particular design is very easy to mimic. You could go into Canva or Kittl or whatever design tool you use. This is just a simple font, dad's little names. You could do poop emojis, and you could put the kids' names. When you make this listing at Etsy, you can make this personalized so the buyer can make their own names or whatever it is. But this is just what I would do to speed up my workflow. And you'll see over here, ChatGPT has given us some ideas of what the front of the mug would look like, personalization options, color themes, what the back of the mug would look like, why this works on Etsy, and so on. So as you can see, within 30 seconds, using the ProfitTree tool, I was able to find a niche, a sub-niche. I was able to find a specific product. I was able to find the titles and tags and description, copied and paste that into ChatGPT or Claude or whatever AI you use, and have my own listing ready to go. From there, I would just copy and paste this into Etsy using Printify or whatever printing source you use, hit publish, and within a minute, you have your listing ready to go. What used to take me, as I said, 2 to 3 hours, now takes me 30 to 60 seconds. Now, I want to be straight with you. The speed isn't the point. The speed is just a side effect of removing the guesswork. Here's what made that whole process fast. One, I wasn't brainstorming. I wasn't just sitting there trying to think of or look for a clever idea. I just typed one broad term into the search bar, and the data showed me where all of the demand actually was. Two, I wasn't manually checking competition. ProfitTree had already given me a niche score. I didn't have to scroll through pages of the listings doing the math in my head. And number three, the keyword that it gave was already optimized. I didn't just write a title from scratch and hope that it would rank. I used specific language and keywords that was already proven to get the search volume. This is the actual unlock. When validation is instant, listing speed becomes instant also. Most sellers think that they have a listing speed problem, but in reality, they actually have a validation speed problem. Just to check this, I pulled the numbers on my own shop, and the listings that were used or built this way using the process I just explained, it sells significantly faster than the ones where I was just still figuring it out or just guessing. That's not a coincidence. A validated niche converts faster because the demand was already there before you even hit the publish button. If you want to replicate this exact workflow, here's the order of operations. Open ProfitTree, then type one broad C term into your category. Sort sub-niches by demand score and look for an upward trend line, not just a high number. Pull the top keyword variant directly from the tool. Build your title and tags from that keyword, not just from your own ideas. Use a pre-made design template so you're not starting from a blank canvas, and publish. Now, the first time you do this, it may take you 5 minutes instead of, let's say, 30 seconds. And that's fine. The point isn't to be fast on day one. You're still learning. The point here is that every step along the way has a data source backing it so that you can stop second guessing and start shipping. Everything I used in that 30 seconds, the niche scoring, the trend data, and the keyword pool, that's all given to me from ProfitTree. The link's below in the description. They're an affiliate of the channel. And if you want to give it a try, I strongly suggest you click the link and check it out. That tool has single-handedly helped me achieve sales far quicker than any other tool I've tried to this point. And let me know in the comments section what niches you've tried this on. I'll pick a few of them and run them live in a future video. And remember, subscribe if you haven't already for more data-backed Etsy and print-on-demand strategies given every week. Thanks for watching. Remember, I'm Harry with the Print Shop Pro, and I hope to see you in the next one.